everybody, it's Miss Allison. Happy Friday. I hope you're having a fantastic day. So let's check in on your asynchronous work. So it was really great to see you guys in our synchronous sessions this week. That is our new schedule, our new rhythm, and so I hope you get used to that. If you have questions about when your group is meeting, let me know. And remember, starting on Monday/Tuesday, we're going to try to meet in our color channel that I built on Microsoft Teams for you. So just make sure you're reading Schoology carefully on those mornings, and we'll get to the right place, okay? Awesome, guys. So let's take a look at your asynchronous work to make sure you know what is going on. So in Schoology, there's a couple of things to navigate. Mine looks a little bit different than yours because some of my things are unpublished. But if I click here on Seed Folks, you'll notice here that I have my Friday work, but also my notebook is out here. So let's take a look here. If I go into my Friday work, you'll click on this document and it pops up like this. This is what you're watching right now, your Friday directions, okay? So your learning target is I can comprehend chapter 1 by analyzing details about the characters, or character in this case, and then your success criteria is I have set up my notebook and I have filled out Kim's character chart and vocab. There is an amazing motivational video for you right here. I highly recommend it. Alright, so here are your steps. So you're going to go to Seed Folks on Schoology. So if you go to this folder right here, this is where things are going to be a little bit confusing. Your notebook assignment is something that you will use a lot. You'll use it every time that we read. So I am going to leave that just in our green Seed Folks folder. It's not going to live on a certain day. It's right here. It will always be right there. Okay? Then your specific work for the day will be on whatever the date is. So for instance, today is Friday the 23rd. So you're going to click there and you'll find what you need. So I know that's a little confusing, but I wanted to show you where you're going. Okay? So you're going to go to that notebook. You're going to watch the directions there. You're going to fill out slide 4, and then you're going to read chapter 1 on Edpuzzle. That is right here for you. That's an assignment. We are just going to do this for chapter 1. After this, you will be able to read more on your own. But chapter 1, I have an Edpuzzle set up that's going to help you know what to do, okay? And then you're going to fill out the bio and vocab and have a great weekend. People are going to ask me this, so I'm going to answer it right now. And feel free to ask me more questions. Do not submit your notebook assignment. You're going to be using that the entire time you're reading. If you submit it today, then you will not be able to go back to it on Monday, okay? So remember that notebook is the one that's going to just live in the green Seed Folks folder, not on a specific day, all right? I hope this is helpful, and I hope you have a great weekend. I will see you guys later.